If you had a million possible solutions to your problem, how would you figure out where to start? At Unilever, we're teaming up with Microsoft because we want to boost our scientific discovery. Transforming R&D requires the best high-performance computing and artificial intelligence capabilities and expertise available. And this collaboration is helping us transform completely how we do R&D. And in return, this is having a positive impact on 3.4 billion people that we serve on a daily basis. Unilever is a global leader in consumer products with presence in over 190 markets whose mission is to serve the needs of consumers globally. The collaboration with Microsoft, a leader in AI for science, is jointly delivering on this shared mission to accelerate scientific discovery in the consumer product space.
Microsoft's platform accelerates scientific discovery dramatically. It essentially enables HPC, high-performance computing, and AI. And when we couple both of these together, we are able to dramatically accelerate the way we figure out which chemicals and which compounds best react together.
Data Lab is our virtual laboratory. It's a manifestation of our exciting, big and bold digital strategy for R&D. It holds all our scientific experimental data. It's built on an Azure platform. Microsoft cloud capabilities are absolutely critical to successful delivery for us in this space. The tools in Azure enable us to screen millions of molecules, map out reaction pathways, simulate molecular mechanisms, simulate molecular properties. This sort of discovery and exploration at a cost-effective and high rate would have been unprecedented in our previous way of working in terms of time, resource, and patience.
We can compress decades of lab work into days. And we can get to a level of insight that we could have never imagined because our human minds and our more conventional tools are not able to process the scale and complexity of data at the speed we need.
The collaboration between Unilever and Microsoft is unique. Unilever is very keen to push the boundaries of innovation. We are enabling them on this journey by providing them with AI tools and with a fantastic platform that harnesses the power of the cloud.
This will radically change the way we do science. The ability to easily query in your natural language, to easily generate code to develop models that you can then utilize to rapidly gain scientific insights that you can trust, makes this an unprecedented in silico R&D environment. Azure's platform will be a massive unlock in our mission to deliver sustainable low-impact chemistry. This is vital for our business and the planet. With Microsoft's platform, we efficiently simulate the complex biological reactions in many of our formulas to make better eco-friendly household and personal products.
We can now solve complex problems in silico chemistry and biology. That's because the amazing power of high-performance compute and the generative AI capabilities that are on the platform. Those, in combination with the smart scientists and engineers in Unilever who are using these virtual laboratories every day, gives us a competitive advantage.
Unilever touches 3.4 billion people every single day. That scale, coupled with the power of Microsoft's cloud, will change lives for the better.
We're reinventing hundreds of years of chemistry. The combination of our deep science with the power of artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, and later quantum offered by the Azure platform is helping us transform R&D. And now we're amplifying the creativity and the discovery power of our researchers in finding new solutions to problems in science and technology that we could have only dreamt of in the past. We're no longer preparing for the future. We are in the future now. And that is really exciting.